Hey guys, this is Ed. This is about the Chronos digital game clock for chess players. And an error that happens with the LCD. I had found out a quick and easy solution that had fixed it, but now, as you can see, we're getting it again. This unit is where there's characters missing. Same way there. Looks like it's not as bad as it was, but it's definitely something not right. But I don't think it's a big, huge ordeal. I already took 2 screws out. Basically, to open the unit, you have to open it to change the batteries or to basically do anything. And in case you don't have to turn power off the unit, you hold down the middle and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 powers it off. Anyways, you take 4 screws off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Alright, so I got the screws off. Basically, you just separate the top white tan colored part from the black base. I'd also heard that the LED can start having problems if your batteries are running low. I don't know if that's true or not, but so all I did before, when the LEDs were really out, was press and make sure that this ribbon cable was making a good solid connection both here and here. And apparently it wasn't, because when I pressed and got those contacts to connect better, everything worked fine. Everything was lit up great. So let's see if that's what it is again. Maybe it needs like some tape on it or something. It's probably not the best solution, but let's see what happens. Voila! It's exactly what it was. So that could be your problem if you're having an issue like that. Simple as making sure those contacts of the ribbon cable against the main board there are properly touching. So again, this is the Chronos digital game clock. I think this is one of the first models, or the original model. Repair. Hey guys, so I decided to do a little bit something more, and I'm going to go ahead and lay a strip of electrical tape over each of those, and hopefully they'll hold and make contact remain a little bit better. Sorry, I don't feel like getting my tripod out for this quick video, but just putting a piece of tape over the thing, pretty simple. Hopefully it doesn't screw up anything else in here though. You can even see how the outline of the cable has come through the tape, so you know the tape is good and sealed against it. Hopefully it'll stay that way. And that's also how you change the batteries, by the way. And putting it back together, simple as taking it apart. Just make sure your holes line up. Put your top on. Put your screws back on. Power it up and check her out. And pray. Now we got another character out. Of course, before when we checked it, it was fine. Now it's like a totally different character. So yeah, if you just continue to press on that contact area, it's like contact is not happening properly. Then you'll get all your displays right again. But I don't know. It's getting ready to go out to a buyer. Seems to be all good now, but hopefully it'll stay that way. If not, I guess I can send him this video link. Look at that. Alright, so now I got another piece of tape. And I've bounced it around and everything and flexed it, and seems to be staying. So let's put the sucker back together. So that concludes the Chronos digital game clock repair. Wasn't much of one, but hopefully it'll help you out. Please like and subscribe if you found anything useful. Hope you did. Have a nice day.